I love going down this. So look at that. You see all those houses, and I know it would have been cooler if it was just, you know, like green and mountains and stuff. And there's places like that out there, but like I still like the way the houses are built on top of the mountains. And you got all this greenery, you got all this fog. You push past just a little bit. You know what? Just a little bit. Wait for it. Just a little bit. Give it to me. You know, stay with me. Don't leave. We got it. Just keep going. Don't stop. Get it. Get it. Don't stop, man. Just keep going for it. Just a little bit more. Feel it. Feel it all over your body, but don't reject it. Accept it. Because it is what it is, and you want what you want. But I'm giving it to you. So you're gonna take, because you know me. You trust me. So don't stop it. Let it flow through you. Open up those ears. Spread them if you have to. Bend over if you need to. But just, you know, let it come inside you. And let me experience something, and then let me have you experience it with me, and trust me, because that's what you see. As soon as you come out of it, that's what you see. Going up on a Tuesday. We got a lonely dude over there. I forgot what that's called. Wakeboarding? No. Where you stand on a surfboard and you paddle. I don't know what that is. Take some mud balancing once waves come through. But there's no brakes there or anything, so they should be good. I'm just looking out for him, man. I'm just looking out for him. Just looking out. Just looking out. No more. Just looking out for him. Ideal. Oh, they pulled over a motorcycle. 2 of them. I never understood why they have to have more than one person when they pull over somebody. They call them like backup from the entire nation. Now we got a biker who was speeding just a little bit. I thought he was waving at me, but I thought the driver was waving at me in that car. But the guy next to the passenger seat was doing something with his hair, so I thought he was waving at me, but it was just the guy next to him. Getting jiggy with it with his hair. No, man, come on, man, really? You couldn't wait just a little bit more after that Escalade behind me passes? I was gonna look at him and wave, but he don't even give an F. Man, you got a young shorty with you, but you old as hell. And I need to pay more attention to the road. Or I'm going to hell, God forbid. Okay, they're them young boys, and they're rich boys. And they're riding like that, they're driving like that too. See what this Cadillac has to do, because these douchebags on the cycles can't stay in a single lane, and head douchebag isn't controlling the lanes either by telling his homies that don't ride like that. I gotta be careful of these hoes, because they'll just pull up on me and ooh, R6. Side by side, they like it, they're looking. Let them turn the light, and I'll show them something they've never seen before. Yep. Let's show them something they've never seen before. As long as it's safe, you know what I mean? Wait for it. Tony Montana. didn't see him. I didn't see him. I didn't see him. I didn't see him. I'm looking over here and he zoomed. I didn't see him. I didn't see him. Because I'm looking over here and I'm like, where are they at? And then boom, they're already gone. Sabes higos. Turbo. Noise. I like that. We got a Merc back there that might do something. Oh, we got one of those newer Porsches. I can only power wheelie. Thanks. Appreciate it. You want to go again? You want to go again? All right. Be safe, guys. Be safe. Ah, come on, man. You can't do that on me. And again, still not full throttle. But what? Sorry. But yeah, still not full throttle. So hopefully we caught it on here, but we didn't catch that much on there. I forgot to check that because the mount's not that strong where it can, I gotta get a better one. So in case you guys didn't hear, they were saying cool bike, cool helmet. And they wanted me to do wheelie, but I told them honest I can only power wheelie. Which is honest, I can only power wheelie, which we did like twice. But it only went up to like 40 miles though, isn't that cool? I think 30 or 40 miles, I think 40 miles. And that wasn't full throttle either. Man, I should have checked, I could have easily went like that and popped that camera back up. And again, sorry, no rear camera, so we couldn't catch as much as we could. But that's why I wanted them to go in front so we could have a little bit more fun catch him in all counts, round counts. And that's engine level and medium. Power level and medium. That's power level at medium. That's not even power level at full for Broly. They're recorded. I wish I could get that view, that footage. That'd be amazing. That would be amazing. But hey, it's fast. I didn't know an Escalade would be that fast. It is an Escalade, right? But I didn't know it was gonna be that fast. So that was pretty eye-opening. Cause it is an expensive vehicle. But we'll see, man. Broly did good. I don't want to go ham on it because, again, only do it when the situation calls for it. But that was fun. The youngins. I gotta creep up more, man! Come on, open it up. Don't be like, oh my god, it's not gonna open, is it? Please? Please? Pretty? Pretty please? Pretty please? It's done it before. It's opened before. Come on, man. We got a truck now, so it should open up now, right? Sir? Could you stop being racist for a freaking second and open? Son of a slut, man. That is messed up. Son of a slut. Maybe it did open, not for me last time, but for a car. Well, we'll never know. We shall never know. Can't believe you didn't catch it, man. You just had to be a slut like that and not catch it. Cannot believe you did that on me, man. Cannot believe you did that on me. But front camera's the main one anyways, right? The thing is that these aren't GoPro parts. They're all aftermarket parts, not GoPro made. So like the screws and stuff, it's all crap, man. Gotta get better ones. Something that doesn't F me over in my time of need. Oh, gravel. Gravel. Oh, my Dragon Balls. But she did good. She didn't do bad. She did good. And again, that was for more fun. That wasn't like an actual boom boom because, well, we both know what the outcome would be. But I love those guys. That's the enthusiasm that people should have, man. Spread positivity and love and awesomeness. And don't be a slut and spread negativity. Because, man, ain't nobody about that life. And something is still digging into me, man. What the hell is it? It's not my jacket. It's something with my leather pants. Maybe I didn't put the zipper up all the way or something. And yeah, we stalled again because I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking about too many things. And that adrenaline was pumping, man. And I bet they were recording it for TikTok. So, if you catch a homie on TikTok, let a homie know. I wonder what it feels like when two old people are smashing. That's what thought that popped up in my head. Is when they two smashing, what's happening, what's going on? Because I feel like it would be the grossest thing ever. And don't they would feel that too amongst themselves? And is that why people cheat? I don't know. I really don't know. Hellcat. Arigato. Well, that was for a lot of fun. Remember, Broly was in, her power level was medium. Those guys were awesome. And remember to spread love, not hate. This is Riding Insane. Remember to subscribe only because you love me as well. And hope you guys enjoyed all that. I'm Riding Insane. This is Broly. And until next time, we out. Peace. I don't know. Later.